welcome back to the channel. In the last week's video, we saw random boarding videos from my recent trip and the nesting behavior of the buyer weavers. Up next in my list is Indian Silverbill.
We travelled almost 200 kilometers from Chennai to reach our destination, where we spent our childhood playing in the bushes along with the chirping little birds. Sadly, these birds have been cast out from our cities due to urbanization. The Indian Silverbill, or white-throated munia, is a small passerine bird found in the Indian subcontinent and the adjoining regions. These birds are gregarious and are found in flocks as of many as 60 birds. The adult Indian Silverbill is 11 to 11.5 cm long. It has a conical silver-grey bill, buff-brown upper parts, white underparts, buffy flanks and dark wings. The tail is black and the wings are dark, contrasting with the white rump. The tail appears pointed as the length of the feathers reduces from the center outwards. It feeds mainly on seeds, but also takes insects and has been known to visit the nectar-bearing flowers. They constantly utter a low cheeping or chirping contact call as they forage. When displaying to a female, the male perches on a branch in an upright position and sings. The male twists its body to face the female, repeatedly bending its leg and bobbing its head while waving around some nesting material in its beak. After dropping the nesting material, the male moves slowly towards the females and attempts copulation.